Today we're going to be smoking over the top chili.
Over the top. Okay, ready? Over the top chili is a family favorite. We have a vegetarian chili base. We have a rack put over the top of it while it's on the smoker, and we season some ground beef. Have that cook on top so that the ground beef renders down into it, so you get all those great flavors, as well as the smoke flavor in the meat and some additional bark-like texture. It's going to be very good. Are we ready?
Yes!
Let's do it. Today we will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to cook this as a family, and at the end we will provide a full recipe screenshot. Getting this chili together is super simple. It's taking the ingredients, putting them in the Dutch oven. What do we have here?
Tomato paste, rotel, crushed tomato, corn, red beans, black beans, pinto beans, red pepper, onion, green pepper, and chili.
Absolutely. So now we just need to get it right here in the Dutch oven. When it comes to the beans, this is always the big debate amongst chili makers. Do you strain it or do you not? You don't have to. It's a point of personal preference. We're just going to go ahead and put the full can in. We did drain the corn so that there wasn't too much extra liquid, but we're just going to put the beans in fully with all the extra flavor that comes with it. So go ahead and carefully pour those in. So we're going to be doing over the top, and what that means is that we have this wire rack that we're going to lay over top. So we have this chili that's going to be on the smoker, and then we're going to have the meat on top, so that as the meat cooks it renders down. It gets that great texture and smoky flavor on that, as well as on the within the chili. So what we're going to do is we're going to prep this, and we want to make sure that it all is going to fit over the top of chili. Sound good?
Yes.
So we're going to just season one side here. I'm going to flip this over, and then you're going to start making some burger-like patties. Go ahead. Just loose like that. Put it over the top. Yep. Go ahead. Put it over top. So season side down, because then we're going to season on top. So, okay. So just loose patties there. You see how we're just spreading it out? Because we're going to break it all apart when it comes time to add it into the chili. Great. There. Put this right here. Now go ahead and add some rub. So we've got all of our ingredients in here. How does this look?
Good.
What's the next step?
Put it on the smoker!
Let's do it.
It's DadBQ, the family-friendly cooking show.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below if there is something you would like us to teach you to make, or if you have a delicious dish that you would like to potentially have featured on DadBQ. We are building a family-friendly cooking community that we want you to join. First step to joining that community, like, comment, and subscribe. And visit us at dadbq.com.